How you doing? On the menu today we're going to make chicken mushroom Chinese style in a wok. It's super easy, tastes absolutely wonderful. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients that we need. Okay, let's take a look at what we're using today. So I've got here like 2 decent sized chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, and I've cut that into little cubes. You could do it into strips if you want. I've got there about 150 grams of fresh mushrooms, 1 onion sliced. I've got 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and ginger, and here I've got 1/4 cup soy sauce, and I'm using a light soy sauce. You could use a dark one if you want, and oyster sauce. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. We're going to get a little bit of salt and pepper in it. That's about it. It's super easy. Okay, so I've got a wok here. I've got some oil in there. I'm using the sunflower oil. We are going to use a little bit of sesame seed oil later, but I don't like to put that in now because it basically just burns off and we waste it. We're going to start off by dropping in our onion, high heat. Just a few seconds, let them get going. Now we're going to go in with the chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Keep it moving, super high heat, about 4 minutes. Okay, so as you can see, the chicken is now turning white. It's not cooked all the way through by any means. We're now going to add in that 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger. I've got mine finely chopped. If you wanted, you could of course be doing it in slices. Tiny amount of salt because the oyster sauce and the soy sauce is very salty. But a nice hefty pinch or 2 of black pepper. Little mix. Now we're going to add in our fresh mushrooms. Now depending on what type of mushrooms you've used, you might get a little bit of moisture from them. Keep it on this high heat. Keep it moving, and I'll see you in about 3 or 4 minutes. Fabulous. And as you can see, I did get a little bit of moisture from my mushroom. We're now going to add in that soy and our oyster sauce. Now we're going to add a little bit of water. Not too much, you could use a rice wine if you wanted. We're now going to put a little bit of the sesame seed oil in. Staying on this high heat, we're going to go for just 2 more minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. We are very, very nearly there. Okay, off goes the heat. If you want, you can put some bit of fresh chili in there, some green onions or something like that. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.